It's going.
It's going. Okay. Hey, I'm getting dressed up in a bee's jacket and gloves, shorts as normal.
Shorts.
90 degrees out here. It's hot. We got the smoker going. I'm sure you hear a mower going in the background.
Over there.
We got a sprinkler going. We have not opened this hive in 2 weeks. We've been feeding them about 4 gallons of syrup every other day. We put the second hive body on it 2 weeks ago. We're going to go out here and see how much work they've done and see what the brood pattern looks like. So you're probably not going to hear me talk a whole lot except point, and Honeybee holding the camera can explain to you what it is, unless she wants to get up to where you can hear me, because I know y'all can hear everything in the background as loud as you hear me. But we're going to throw our hoods up on the rustway, go over there and open it up. We'll be right back. Ready?
Yep.
Here we go. We learned not to stand in the entrance here because they have a tendency to not like it. Oh, there's that. Hanging tools, we'll show you that in a second. This was put on here the other day because they had estimated of 60-mile-an-hour winds.
Talk a little bit louder, dear.
They were supposed to have 60-mile-an-hour winds, so Honeybee come out here and threw this on to make sure it didn't blow off the deal. So we're gonna chunk that out there for now. Ooh, yes, there's propolis on it.
Hard to get off.
We're gonna just shoot a little bit down in there. Just cause. Yep. There's one bee. I see them down in there. I don't know what they're doing, but we're gonna take a gander of nothing on that one. Nothing on that one. We got a bunch of burrcomb down there in the bottom though. I can see it. We're gonna have to clean that off. Nothing. But see, they're on there checking it out. Alright. So, oh yeah, they got it. Sit there, right like that. See all this burrcomb in between here, all the way here, down in here. So it's aggravate them here. I'm come up. Don't let it be, I don't want to smash you. Oh. Alright, see we got some pollen in there. Got some capped brood. Got some waxed honey on top. Some nectar on the bottom. More
all of that up there.
That's capped honey. Some brood and some larvae. See the larvae? Get up in there and
this
show
right
them.
here?
Yep, the little white specks down in there. See the brown caps?
Oh yeah.
And look down in between there.
White specks in there.
Yep.
That's babies.
Babies. I'm looking. We're gonna see if we can't find any eggs in there.
You want me to put this on the side?
Yeah, put those on the side. There's one there. One there. Spread them out. There you go, maybe.
No.
Not quite. No.
I have to take this off.
Oh.
There we go.
Okay, there's one. Now we're gonna. Oh yeah, full of brood. All that cat brood right in the middle. You got wax, honey on top.
That's all this is there.
Up top here, that's all capped honey, and all that dark brown is cat brood, and there's a bee chewing its way out.
Where?
Right at the tip of my thumb.
Oh.
See that little cap moving?
Right there.
He's trying to chew his way out. Another good brood pattern there. Put that one out here. And knock her back off in there. Good old brood.
Is that honey sticking off right there?
That right there?
Yeah.
Yep. They'll come over and recap it. They're hanging on the bottom for something down there. See them building up there on the bottom?
Yeah.
Trying to see if we can't find the queen again. She seems to be doing her job all right.
And this all up here is honey?
Yep. Oh yeah, she's doing her job. See the yellow stuff in there? That's pollen.
Yellow stuff in them little holes. What's the shiny stuff in them little holes?
That's nectar. It's not pollen yet. It's not honey yet, soon to be. See how it kind of run out of there? It's not thick enough yet. I got some more over here. Yeah. Put all this over here and take it with us so it don't attract bugs. See, that one all looks like it's full of
Honey.
Hey, there's some capped brood in there. And there's that, some more capped brood and some more nectar. That one looks like it's going to be. Put some capped brood in there, and then the rest of it's nectar. See, they're working that frame right there. They're starting to draw it out. I'll pull it out there in a second. This is what I wanted to see. They're starting to work on that and build the cells out. They're starting to work on that one and build it out, clean it up.
Got them hanging on down on the bottom.
Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to take this across the top. Pull this one back out. I'm trying not to squash any bees. Yeah, that's looking better. What we're going to do is we're going to take all this burr comb off. Oops. Squashed one. Sorry, Mr. B.
Hey, Leah, will you go turn that sprinkler off and turn the small one on? Thank you. No, the small one out there in the garden.
Alright, here's the troublesome guy. All this cross top's gotta come off.
It's just 2 weeks worth. Didn't we do this last time?
Yes, I did. I gotta go there. Come on, get off in there. Guess not. There you go.
Want to see what honey looks like, Leah? No,
Nope.
not yet.
Ah, did I get him?
You squished it. Well, nope. Now you did.
Where's the cleanup?
I didn't see her this time.
We didn't see her this time.
matter. Well, they're starting to clean up on it.
Is that stuff they're adding to it? Or is that the wax?
Well, they'll clean that out. Like, see how they emptied all these holes down through here.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that one's out of food. What we're gonna do is, I think, this is what I think it is. Yes, that is all nectar stuff. Okay. So
What do you need?
take that, set that there. I'm gonna take this one because this one has capped brood on it. I'm gonna slide that one in there like so. We're going to take this, slide that one in there like that. And take this one, put it out here. There we go. This actually come in handy. All right.
What's that? He's.
Yeah.
No. Yeah. What's he eating on?
That honey.
Oh,
See, there's honey on there.
okay. Smoke's blowing in my face. See that black bee right there?
There.
Right there on the comb.
Yeah, there's a bunch of them.
Right here.
See,
right,
there's another one.
right there.
Oh, I don't know what that is.
He's just black.
There we go. Right. So that back in there. We're gonna.
Like a mad.
Die, ant, die.
Yes.
Oh, whatever you never.
Talk.
All right.
Talk.
So we got into the beehive. They're doing their thing. There's still a good brood pattern in there. They've been storing the feed, and we could show you the capped honey on top of it, their brood below it. They haven't quite started working on the top box yet, but they started working on the outside frame, so that means they're expanding because they know they've got more room. For an experiment, because like I said, this is my first time trying this and doing this, is they had one frame that was full of nectar and honey, so I moved it out one frame and brought a frame in that hadn't had any work done. Hopefully that'll encourage them to work on that frame, and if it does, then as time goes on and the outside frames need work, we may rotate them in so they can put some wax on those, but I think we might have to kick our feed pattern up a little bit because it takes 8 pounds of honey for 1 pound of wax, which I think I've got enough to get through the next 2 weeks. But I got to go inside, make that up, get it out here this evening for them so it has time to cool off. But we appreciate y'all. We're up 53 subscribers as of this morning. Great job, y'all. We love you. Thanks for watching. Remember, I always forget this part. Please like, share, subscribe, hit the bell button, tell all your buddies about it, because we actually do enjoy doing this. And we appreciate y'all. Love you. Thanks. See you next time.